Okay, this is number practice. We're going to focus on the number 4 for the next 2 pages here. We're going to start with writing the number 4. Writing 4s are tricky. You start at the top, you make a straight line to the middle. Then the second step is to make a straight line across the middle. Then you jump to the top, then you make one straight line down to the bottom. So it is straight across, jump to the top, straight down. Okay? You go down, across, jump to the top, straight down. Okay, let's try some on our own. Here we go. We write the number down, across. It kind of looks like an L right there. And you jump to the top and you come straight down. So we make a little L and jump to the top and long straight line down there. Okay, don't forget you can circle your star-worthy numbers. Which number do you think you like the best when you write it? We're going to write the word for today, for, F-O-U-R. If you see inside here, you have the word hour, hour. F-O-U-R is for, and we will write those letters. You start with an F, you curve up and around, and then go straight down, and then you go straight across in the middle. A little different than a T. That's why you have to have that part right here at the top, that curve. Then we have an O, which is a circle around. A U down, curve around up, then retrace down, and an R straight down, up, bump the middle line. O, U, R are in the grass letters. They should stay between the middle and the bottom. And an F is a tall letter. So you start here at the top and it has to be up in the sky and then it goes down into the grass. Okay? So we write our letter 4 here, F. And then we make that line there, O. U, R. Make sure you practice writing 4 a couple different times. All right, next is your word hunt. Excuse me, it is not a word hunt. I keep saying that, everybody. It is a number hunt where we are going to hunt for the number 4. So here we go. We're going to start with 30, 16, 25, 4, 6, 3, 18, 0, 9, 27, 29, 0, 1, 10, 20, 1, 5, 10, 4. I hope that you are reading these numbers with me. 6, 9, 6, 22, 26, 5, 18, 21, 4, 13, 5, 28, 4, 9, 0, 11, 12, 7, 26, 4, 6, 3, 7, 22, 7, 8, 9, 29, and 6. Okay, so hopefully we found all the 4s today on our hunt. Next, we're going to do the name collection box where we do tally marks, represent with a picture. So today you will draw 4 beach balls. And then we will try to show our math knowledge in different ways. Let's start by writing a number 4. That reminds us that we're working on 4, the value of 4. 4 tally marks, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tally marks. Let's make dice. Dice to represent 4. That would be 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots. That's a dice that represents 4. Now I could also do another dice, but I would need 2 dice. I'm going to have 2 dice here because I'm going to have 2 dots on the dice. And if I have 2 dots on the dice, that means 2 plus 2. And that would equal 4. Let me do that problem here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So now I have an addition problem on my math challenge for the day, which is great. Let me think of some other ways to challenge myself. Now you guys will draw 4 beach balls. You can make them colorful. That's great. I'm going to do some dominoes here. I'd like to show you how I would make dominoes 2 different ways. I'm going to make 2 different dominoes, and the dominoes are going to represent 4, but they're going to be different. Okay, this domino is going to have 3 on the top and 1 on the bottom. And if I add those two numbers together, 3 plus 1, that equals 4. And then this domino, I'm going to have 4 dots on the top, but 0 dots on the bottom. And that also is a domino that equals 4. All right, let's try a math tens grid like we've done before. I'm going to make it. You make the rectangle, then you add the 4 lines in here that make this equally 5 on each side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have to color 4 boxes. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is my tens grade, but that also shows me the value of what 4 equals. Okay, now I want you to remember to challenge yourself to do subtraction problems every day when we do our number review. So let's think of a subtraction problem. Let's start with 8. And you know I love cookies. So let's say I had 8 cookies, but Patrick wanted some. So I gave him 4 cookies. So 8 cookies, take away, subtract 4 cookies. What does that equal? Well, that equals 4 cookies. And that is my number that I am trying to focus on today, the number 4. Now, don't forget to draw your beach balls, 4 different colorful beach balls. And when you have completed your challenge for the day, you should have a couple different ways to represent the number